Once magnificent, the mansion now stands as a testament to time, battered but unbroken by the storm.
This forgotten world holds many secrets.
Looks perfect.
Yeah, the shine is incredible. Keep the pour steady right there.
Look at that detail. It's perfect. Look at how the gold catches the light.
It's perfect, exactly as we envisioned.
Look at how it catches the light. It's beautiful, truly mysterious.
Okay, team, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, watch the edges.
All right, slowly lower it down. Look centered to me.
Keep the pressure steady on the edge there.
It's looking perfect, almost done.
All right, moving to the center now.
Maintain the synchronized pace. We need a flawless mirror finish on these panels before the next phase.
All right, bring the heat gun over here slowly to catch those bubbles. Keep the roller steady.
We have to move faster. The water is rising.
I see the carvings up ahead. Keep moving.
Look at this handwriting. It's incredible. How long has this been hidden here?
After all that work, it's finally complete.
Look at that glow. It's magnificent. A true masterpiece of luxury.
Look at that shine. The emblem is incredible.
We outdid ourselves.
Make sure the sealant is applied evenly on that section.
We're almost done with the north wall.
It looks incredible, doesn't it?
Okay, pour the resin steady now.
Making sure the gold veins spread evenly.
Looking good. Let's get the polishers ready.
We really outdid ourselves on this one.
Yes.
Look at that finish. Yeah.
It's perfect. The gold really pops under these lights.
This fissure runs deeper than we thought, right along the wing joint.
Yes, we need to stabilize this section before applying the new mortar.
Keep it moving toward the edge there.
All right, I'm using the squeegee now.
A little more heat right here should smooth that out.
This symbol looks incredible in the resin.
Best floor we've ever done.
The resin dried perfectly clear.
It's absolutely stunning. The client will be thrilled.
We did it!
It's absolutely flawless.
It's absolutely perfect. The lighting catches the emblem just right.
Decades of history, restored to its former glory.
That looks incredible.
The reflection is perfect.
Another masterpiece completed.
Look at that shine. It's absolutely perfect.
The client is going to be thrilled. We did an amazing job.
It's flawless. The best one yet.
The client will be very impressed.
Look at that shine. Absolutely flawless. The gold veins really pop under these lights. It's magnificent.
It looks incredible.
The gold really pops against the black.
It's absolutely stunning. The gold really pops against the black.
We did a great job. The clients will love it.
We did a great job with the lighting.
It looks incredible against the fog. Look at that shine.
It's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
This city needed a symbol. We built it anew, stronger than before.
Beneath the golden light, the symbol emerges, a testament to luxury and refinement.
Look at that. It's perfect.
We did it. It looks incredible.
Absolutely stunning.
It turned out perfectly. The reflection on the epoxy is flawless.
Truly magnificent work, everyone.
The lighting in the theater turned out perfectly.
And the floors, I've never seen anything like it.
This is the best work we've ever done.
Look at that shine. The symbol came out perfect. He's gonna love this.
The symbol is perfect. Another flawless execution, team.
We finally finished it.
It looks incredible.
Best work we've ever done.